Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to become a VIP member on DramaWave. Becoming a VIP member on DramaWave unlocks exclusive content and enhances your viewing experience. First of all, open up the DramaWave app on your mobile device and ensure that you're logged in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Inside the profile section, you will see Become VIP option at the top. Simply tap on that. Choose a plan that fits your preferences. The options may include weekly VIP, monthly VIP, and yearly VIP. The prices are subject to change and may vary according to your region. Select one of the subscription plans and then follow the prompts to complete the payment through your device's App Store or your Play Store. So that is how you can easily become a VIP member in DramaWave. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.